Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Elizabeth Marin. I'm doing a microbiology prep video this week. This is week 1 and the date is, what is today? It is May 11th, 2018. This video really is going to be more different than our other lab videos, but it's very important. I found that this is very useful and is in preparation for our labs, gets us organized, familiarized with our tools and our instruments. To get started, one of our things that we had to do was make up a calendar. And in this calendar, it shows each day that we are going to start our lab and how many days the lab is going to incubate for, and when we're going to check it, when we are going to do our test, do the results of that, and record that information. Let me show you. This is my calendar here that I made up. This is for the month of May. As you can see right here, like for next week, I'll be starting my culture, and then it said to let it incubate for 48 hours, and if it needs additional time, incubate for 72 hours, and then I'm going to record the observation. And then same for June. I did the same for June all the way through for each culture and that we will be doing for these next 8 weeks. Also, right here, as you can see, this is where I chose to do my lab, and this is how I would set up my lab. For when I'm doing my lab. And I chose this location to be in my kitchen. Most of the time when I do my labs, I do them at night because I have a lot of crazy little kids running around during the daytime, so I wait till everybody's in bed and I have my time, my peace. I have overhead lighting in my kitchen, my snack bar area, and then this area is it's a good surface to clean, and it's not really used that much either. So like I said, for lab, I have everything set out, my microscope and my goggles, apron. This is how I would set it up if we were doing an experiment. Third was to choose a location of where we're going to be incubating our cultures and things like that. So I thought, where could I put something with a good temperature that's not too hot, not too cold. I live in the desert where it can get up to 115 degrees, so I had to be, I couldn't be anywhere in the garage or outside, or I definitely have to be indoors where it's air conditioner, but even still it couldn't be too close to exterior wall because it gets so hot here, and we are going into the summer months. So I decided that I would choose a location in my kitchen, and I have this location that's actually right below where I'm going to be doing my work. There's like a little storage cabinet right underneath my bar, and I really never use it. It's just there to store stuff. And so here it is. This is where I'm going to be incubating my culture. I put a plastic tub in here just in case something was to spill, to stop. But anyways, you can see there's really nothing there. So, and this is perfect. And I checked the temperature, and right now it's sitting at 23 Celsius. So that's perfect. And I have a child safety lock on the cabinet also, so it's going to be out of hands of a 2-year-old that runs around, gets into everything with no pets or anything, and it's out of direct sunlight. I find this is perfect, and like I said, it's right below my workspace. Well, that is pretty much my overview of my preparation for microbiology for the summer course. Like I said, I found this extremely useful. It made me take the things out of my lab pack, made me look at all my petri dishes, my test tubes, my microscope, and really get everything organized to set us up for success. So next week we will be active in making fun stuff. So I will see you next week. Bye bye.